I want to show you a great pre-owned 2022 Maverick. It is a 2-liter XLT all-wheel drive. So let's take a look all the way to the back because there's lots going on back here. We have a nice tonneau cover that rolls up very nicely. We have a backup camera here. It's equipped with a tow package, which gives you up to 4,000 pounds towing. Once we get in here, as you can see, it's nicely sprayed with the box liner. It has a 400-watt inverter, which you can plug in very small appliances, like a little heater or something. It has 8 tie-down bed hooks there for you to hook up whatever you need. We have Mudflaps front and rear. It is a keyless entry, so it does have the keyless entry door, and there's a ton of stuff inside. So